All right, hey everyone, welcome back. Quick update on the train room progress. Last video, we had a little bit of framing left to do, and that was just this soffit here to hide the drop or to hide the vents and the metal beams running across the basement. That's done, all complete. And I've gone ahead since then and done most of my wiring. I've got my electrical all roughed in. Got all the outlets roughed in. And I've got the lighting roughed in. I've got can lights throughout. Sorry, I still have these temporary lights up. And as you can see, all the wiring is already ran to those. I do need to still come back and just actually tie them into the actual fixture. I'll start doing that probably today. I just wanted to get the wiring up there and ran and cut. Yeah, I'll go ahead and tie those in, and then I'll put bulbs in, run them to the switches, and make sure all those work properly before I start putting drywall in. The outlets I'll probably do after I do the drywall, just because they're easy enough to just put in after. And it's pretty messy cutting those out. Let's see what else. Yeah, all that ducting you can see back there on the floor, I ended up cutting out. This vent was over here, so I cut out on this side about 15 feet of ducting, so it was really unnecessary. And then I did the same here. That's probably about 10 feet. The vent was right there, so I cut that out. It really doesn't do any purpose being on that side versus this side. So with these walls being up now, I figured it would get more flow in this area. It's a basement. It doesn't get super hot or cold down here anyway. It's really just kind of wanted to, probably make my HVAC a little bit more efficient at the same time. Reason I did do that is because I had to cut. This guy was a 7-inch pipe running all the way across here, and that was going up to the first floor. As you can see right there, I ended up having to move that over because those lights just wouldn't fit in there with the 7-inch piping in there. So I cut it out, and then I used the flexible ducting, and then of course it comes with the insulation. So I went ahead and left the insulation on it, put it back up, supported it and everything. And now my can lights aren't touching it. So I was a little worried that if they were touching it, maybe when the HVAC's running, I might get some flickering in the lights. Yeah, that's been moved. I also moved this water line right here. This water line came straight down and did a 90, so I had to cut it and move it up so it wasn't touching the light fixture either. Getting the lights spaced in here was a little bit of a challenge because of just the way the builder had ran so many things across between these joists, whether it was these or this double beam threw me off. Got a train coming up or descending down Summit. Gotta have our camera on down here, right? Or live feed, I should say. But yeah, I've got the switches here. These will be just the nice, I forget what you call these ones, but they've got dimmers built in, so I'll have 3 of these here. I did do the lights on zones. There'll be one zone here, another zone going over here in this recessed area, and then that third switch is just going to be for a 3-way switch right here for these 2 small cans right here. I put those in just in the event I get any shadows, right here from the soffit. So But yeah, that's really what I've been doing. It's really starting to take shape. I'm pretty excited. I've got to hook up the lights, test them. Then I'll probably be on, I'll go ahead and leave those on and get rid of these 2 temporary lights out of the center. And, you know, a couple little things, and then we'll be ready for drywall installation. So, yeah, so hopefully possibly next layout update, we'll be doing drywall, possibly. So that's it for now. Just showing you guys the progress. Hopefully, hoping to be building an actual layout here in the near future. So, all right. Appreciate all the feedback and comments, and take care.